yes, we have a couple cases of water here at the back. Those blue cases are water. Here we have some
waffle fries. This is vegan mayo, ketchup, and someday spicy pickle.
really good for making long shelf life full-fat milk, shelf-stable milk. Why would she buy shelf-stable milk? They never buy shelf-stable milk. But
For a bomb shelter.
those kind of places, they wouldn't have that. You know, they would if it's hard. That weird. I've never seen a lot of milk ever use garbage dessert, like Mahalia, which is like a milk pudding and rice pudding. They had a huge sale on the vegetables, so I got a bunch of eggplant because I plan on making a lot of marinated eggplant and baba ganoush.
Who needs a kilo of lemons? Go to a restaurant. Throw them in the trash.
Which, by the way, a huge staple drink for Ramadan water. We have some pomegranate molasses besides the Vimto here, pomegranate molasses.
Why don't you just stop buying
Pomegranate
drinks?
molasses, you use them in like salad or vinaigrette. If you make the
I can't imagine drinking all those
Speaking of
calories
which, I have a jar of grape paste.
while I'm stuffing my face with french fries.
Some cocoa powder for overnight.
I know these aren't healthy. I know they're high calories, but they're delicious. I want them sometimes. Potatoes, a few kilos of potatoes. Yes, they're dirty, but they can be washed. We have put it into the bags that they give you. And there you go, she's got more ready that she's doing this well at the table in the living room. And that noise was the chair. She's sitting down to do a grocery haul. This is the best thing I've ever seen. A few kilos of those. A whole bunch of macaroni.